Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your headphones not detected on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the headphones. So if you are using the USB-C headphones, if you are using the charging port, then what I recommend you guys to do is simply clean the charging port, because as you guys can see, the dust right here can and will block the connection. So make sure that you keep your charging port clean. If you've never cleaned it, then make sure to do that now. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. This also goes for the Bluetooth headphones. So we're gonna press the power button and hold it for 3 seconds. Ignore the assistant popping up. Now tap restart and touch again to restart it. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what we want to do is we want to use a certified adapter if you're using one for your 3.5mm headphones. If you do, make sure that it's certified. If it's just a cheap, not even in a good quality, then that may be the reason. What you guys want to do next is test another pair of headphones. So this is pretty common. If you have another pair of USB-C headphones, test them with the same device. Then if you got the adapter, make sure that it's working first, and then get another pair of 3.5mm headphones. And as a last resort here, you guys can of course check it with the other device. Now we're gonna go to the settings and scroll down to system and updates. This also goes for the Bluetooth headphones as well as the wired headphones. We're gonna go to the system and updates at the bottom and click on software update. We want to make sure that our software is up to date. This is very important, because if we do not update our software, then we can still have some old glitches laying around on our device, and we don't want it. So let's move on to the Bluetooth headphones now. First, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's scroll up, go to Bluetooth, and if your Bluetooth was already enabled, just like mine is now, just tap to turn it off and tap to turn it on again. Now what you guys want to do is forget and repair the headphones. So what you guys want to do is, if you want to forget them, just tap on this little gear icon. These are not headphones, but still it's the same process. You just click unpair here, and now they are unpaired. So if you want to pair it again, simply you need to find the available devices. I won't find the device that I just unpaired, but still here you guys will find your headphones. You just need to click on them and then simply check the volume, sorry, not the volume, but the battery percentage of your headphones. So it's very important, because if your headphones are not charged, then they have a chance of just not connecting. And my situation was that the headphones were at 50%, they wouldn't connect, but I charged them up to 100% and they connected without any issues. So make sure to charge them fully, not including the case. And next, just avoid the device interference. So what I mean by that is, if you got another device paired with the same pair of headphones, then maybe it's just connecting there instead of your phone, and we definitely do not want it. So make sure to avoid the device interference, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.